Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so before sharing screen, can we have some more talks on that?
Sure.
So what does it come to your mind, say about if you need to analyze that how many employees are coming? Now, if we take Corona or not, forget about it. Unmute है. हाँ तो कहाँ से आ रही है? तो उसमें क्रॉस तो आ रहा था, फिर भी क्यों आ रही थी वो? I don't know this. Okay, fine. So I want to listen from you. What things come to your mind when you think about that you are going to analyze your employees' routine life to judge whether they are spending too much of time in the company or whether they are spending too much of time to the uh, personal life.
Personally. Okay. So we have to analyze. There are several things like how much time he is taking to reach to office. Then what are the working time we have allocated to him, and how much time he is actually doing that thing. Whatever task we are giving to him, how much actually that task needs time, and how much time
Good
he is
point.
taking
Good points.
to do that task. So there would be definitely there would be a difference. We have to analyze that difference. We have to
Okay.
make him understand or what we can do if we think that he there are 3 hours before the lunch time. So the activity what we had given to him that occupies hardly 2 hours to 2.5 hours. But the
Hmm.
employee is taking that full 3 hours, and after the lunch also he is engaged for half an hour in the same activities,
Okay.
but can be completed in 2 or 2.5 hours if he sits
Okay.
properly, if he with concentration if he do the work. So that time we need to analyze what are the other activities he is involved into those timings that he is not able to involve fully in that particular task what is allocated to him. So
Hmm.
that we need to check. If some manager is falling in between and taking some meeting, definitely if the meeting is of half an hour time, that half an hour will be spent there. After that, 10-15 minutes prior to the meeting will be disturbed. 10-15
Hmm.
minutes or half an hour would after that meeting will be disturbed. So
Okay.
in all, maybe 1 hour will be spent for half an hour meeting. So
So you
that
mean
we
to
can
say now travel time, office
travel
time,
time,
office time,
actual work
your work
time,
time, actual work time, as well as
actual
the
work time.
meetings, wanted
Yeah,
or unwanted meetings.
unwanted
Both.
meetings. Yes, rest.
Mostly we
Yeah,
say the unwanted meetings and the speed of the employee or the efficiency of the employee.
efficiency. Yes, efficiency. Maybe he is efficient enough to work that task in 2.5 hours, but he is expending it unwantedly or maybe wantedly, that he can
Hmm.
expend more time in leisure and in some other activities and going some other places to do any sort of other activities. So that
Okay.
should be checked, maybe from their seniors,
Hmm.
maybe from the HR, from
Hmm.
anybody who have the power to control that.
Okay, okay. This is what we are trying to know about that how many total employees out of that, how much percent are spending time to the personal life
Which
and
activities?
because
Hmm.
if the more of the percentage is in the personal life, you need to
Hmm.
improve. If the more are the
Hmm.
persons employee are spending time in the organization, again you need to
For the
convert to
personal,
that the personal life also. I mean, this
right?
life is to be the healthy life, quality of
Yeah.
life, and the
Yes.
quality comes when you give sometimes to your family also, isn't it?
Hmm. Yes.
So what else? I mean, now you had given some hint about the people who are spending time in the office.
Hmm.
What about personal life? How do you guess that your employees are spending much time on the personal life?
Uh, See, for that, whatever lunch time we are giving them, if they are spending more time on lunch time, or if we are giving two other breaks, maybe of 10-15 minutes for any other task, for any
Hmm.
chore, like for anything, we can allowing them to be relaxed for
Hmm.
15 minutes in first half and then next 15 minutes in second half as well. But they are taking much more time in that.
Hmm.
Instead of 15 minutes, they are spending half an hour on other activities, or they went
Okay.
somewhere else and they're spending time
Hmm.
over there. So from that part, we can judge like they need
Hmm.
their, we need to some action to control that particular time. If we have
Okay.
already given them time to talk
Hmm.
anything about their family, if they're concerned about their family or whatever, apart from the official work, we need
Okay.
to check that time as well, like how much time they are spending on all other these kind of other activities.
Hmm.
That should be checked.
You know something more than that. You know
Mm,
something more than that, which is not yet coming to your mind,
maybe.
or yeah,
Mm,
because this is a spontaneous topic, and we are just all of a sudden we started discussing without telling you that you are not prepared, but still you are having good answers and good communication in telling like how the people are spending much time. So I'll tell you something more about professional life, right?
mm,
As the time demands targets,
mm,
so they're stressed. They spend much hours in the company, late
mm,
sitting,
mm,
because they think that their targets will not be fulfilled in 9 to 5 job.
mm.
So they spend time, more of the time to the company, late evening sitting.
Yeah,
So
but that
if they
depends.
sit late,
Maybe.
if they sit late, they won't be
Mm,
that family time. They're converting to the professional time,
professional life, yes.
right?
Mm, mm,
And if I talk about their traveling time,
mm,
say this is you said about home to office, office to home, but
mm.
few of the employees may be having a job which is into the traveling on tour. If
Yeah,
they are
it
on
could
tour
be.
for 10 days, right? If they
Yeah,
are on tour for 10 days, they are away from their family.
yes. They need
So
some
that
time
time
to
you
spend
do
with the
need to
family.
calculate in your
Yeah,
timing, office timing,
yes,
right or wrong?
yes. Yeah, that would be, yes. When
I mean,
they
now
are
you have to
occupied.
broaden your thinking. I mean, yes,
Mm,
obviously we are seeing that employee, how many percentage? Now we are
mm,
calculating the percentage of employee out of 100. How
mm,
many people are spending time into the office, and how many people are spending the time to the family? Now if the
yes,
person is spending more or more time with the family, it means neglecting his job. So you have to
yes,
keep an eye on that also.
yeah.
How do you see that the person is taking a much time to the office? Maybe he or she is taking frequent leaves. आज ये हुआ, आज घर पे ये
Mm,
काम है, आज
mm,
मेरी शादी की सालगिरह है, आज मेरा बर्थडे है, आज मेरी वाइफ का बर्थडे है, आज मुझे बच्चे के
mm,
स्कूल जाना है. I
mm.
mean, this is
He's,
all that he or she
yeah,
is spending
is
time to
taking
the
more
personal
time to
life.
the family. Yeah.
Why?
Mm,
Because your boss is lenient and very easily grant you leave.
mm,
तभी ऐसा possible है.
yeah.
If your
Yes.
boss is strong enough, won't give you the
Mm,
leave, won't sanction
mm,
you the leave, how can you take so much of leaves?
mm,
And now the people say, मेरे चाचा के मामा के बेटे के बहू के बच्चे की शादी है या मुंडन है, then I need to go to my village. I mean, you
yeah.
do not know even yourself what the relation are, but
Uh,
still you
you
absolutely
want to go
you are you wanted to
going
go.
there.
So
Mm,
these kind of people you have to chase from your organization.
yeah. Yes. Yes.
Right. Well, you have to keep an eye. अब और क्या
Mm.
हो सकता है?
It can be vice versa also, like
Yeah.
uh, overtime. Like earlier also we had a discussion on that. Overtime may it's not necessarily that there are some targets for which he is sitting in the office. Maybe वो घर ही नहीं जाना चाहता इसलिए he is sitting in the office.
मे बी
Maybe
एसी का आराम ले रहा है. मे बी
हाँ
चाय
maybe
मे बी बैचलर है तो वो कह रहा है कि ओके लेट मी सिट.
let me sit, yeah. Maybe management को दिखाने के लिए, like yeah, he is so much of
एनी रीजन
dedicated,
नाउ
any
ऑन
reason. So
दिस.
that that need to be calculated, right? if the person is doing overtime, actually the time has, like, he have worked something else apart from the office hour, or what exactly he had done, or maybe he had not done the that work in the office hour, and later on he is completing that task.
That's what I
It
mean.
can
This
be.
can be anything, anything.
Yeah.
Now, being an HR, you
Hmm.
have to keep so many things in mind, like while making the survey out in your
Yeah.
company, and you have to make
Hmm.
a questionnaire. And
Hmm.
if your staff is educated enough, they fill
Hmm.
up that form, that
Hmm.
questionnaire, yes or no, or tick it as per
Hmm.
like your how do you draft it. And if you
Hmm.
do it for blue collar workers, they have, I mean, we don't find much problem with them. But this is with the white collar worker, where they have this kind of facility and they do this kind
Hmm.
of.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
my main involvement into the work life balance is here mainly.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share a document where we see how do we make it and what kind of questions we keep it in mind while asking, right? Because we are not yet doing more question on personal life. If we'll talk about
Hmm.
personal life, right? Now, I'll tell you one thing more, which I forgot to tell you. This work-life balance will help you to arrange engagement activities.
Hmm.
Your engagement activities will depend upon your work-life balance.
Yeah.
If people are not
Yes.
giving the time to family, so you have to have
You
the
have to.
involvement of the
Yes.
involvement
Yes.
of
You
family.
have
If
to.
they're much more indulged
Already.
in
Hmm.
that, then you have to
Hmm.
make the some inbound exercises within the organization,
Within the
within the staff,
organization. Yeah.
within the staff. Then
Yes.
automatically it will reverse, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
You can see the screen is
Hmm. Yeah.
is clear.
Yes. No, no, it's not clear. Hmm.
See, I'll read it out.
Uh,
uh,
there is some size issue actually.
because
Let's
you
see.
know, ink is light, or you can say due to that you may not be able to see it clearly. This is
Hmm.
questionnaire on work life balance, right?
Balance. Yeah. Hmm.
We are keen to explore whether there are any particular issues of employees responsibility within the organization. We want to
Okay.
find out what we are
Hmm.
doing well in assisting the employees balance their family and their work, and we should know how to improve, right? This is the main aim to make our questionnaire.
Okay.
Now you have to find out the percentage of people spending whether in work or whether in life, one thing. And
Mm-hmm.
if you find the people are indulged more in family, again you need to improve. If the
Hmm.
people are more indulged into the work and they are neglecting their family, you need to improve them,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I made a this format for this how to do it. Name of the employee,
Yeah.
department,
Department.
right?
Mm-hmm. Then gender, I
Now
think it is. Yeah.
gender, yeah, male and
Yeah.
female. Why so?
Hmm.
Why so? Now my
Definitely,
question is
it would
why
be
so?
because definitely the responsibilities a female is handling toward the family would be different, and the responsibilities of a male toward his family would be definitely different. The
Wonderful,
efficiency of the
wonderful.
work, yeah, the
Yeah,
efficiency would
wonderful.
be different when if there is a
We don't
single
go on
parent.
efficiency, otherwise, you know, male candidates will be who will be listening. This will be after us. So we'll talk about the
Yeah,
responsibility right now. We'll focus on the responsibilities,
sure,
right?
sure,
Because
sure,
the
sure.
female have the joint family, their kids,
Hmm.
newborn kids, and all, and lot of things are newly married. You know, the person who's newly married have a lot of responsibility and not able to
Yeah,
give time to the company.
yes, it would be.
So now your as HR, your duty is to see how many
Hmm.
people are newly married in your company. Do
Hmm.
they need your help? to adjust
Yeah.
their timing at initial stage. So give them the
Yes.
flexi hours so that now let them settle into new life,
Yes.
right?
Let them
Give them
settle.
work
Yeah.
from home, right? And
Mm-hmm.
engage them certain activities which they can do it from home,
From home. Yeah.
right?
Mm.
So again is the age group.
Yes. Definitely. There would
That
be
also
difference.
matters.
Yeah.
If you are a younger, less are the responsibility. If you
Yes.
are, I mean, of more age, say
Definitely the
about 40,
responsibilities
40,
of,
50 plus,
yeah,
again,
30,
that will always
35 years in, definitely responsibilities would be different between 60 years of employee and 30 years of employee.
yeah. So now your question
Definitely.
should be based on this kind of things, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
I have kept the category under 30, 31 to
Okay.
40, and
Mm.
over 40.
Over
Right?
40. Married,
By
unmarried.
50, 58, we do retire normally. So I kept this
Yes.
category.
Sure. Yeah.
Then I took it out children.
Okay.
If
How many
if you
children do
don't
you
have child, you are not having much responsibility. You are from nuclear family and you don't have child. So I mean, enjoying life.
have?
So you
Mm.
won't, you may be giving time to office also,
Mm.
right? One thing. Then if you have children, how many children?
How
If you
many
have more
children?
children, more responsibility. Then you will be every now and then will be taking off for your
Mm.
personal work.
Personal life.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Then age of your child, that matters.
Okay. Okay.
The youngest the child that needs your
More
attention,
responsibilities would be there.
more
Yes.
responsibility, and the
Mm.
child who is above 14 years, your responsibilities are very less.
Yes.
Right. So you
Yeah.
will be more focusing on your work, on your
Mm.
career. Right? Now facing factors that making work-life balance harder.
Okay.
Now I have a
Okay.
question on that.
Okay.
See,
Ma'am,
now you
can
tell,
you mail can you mail
yes,
this document so that, huh?
yes, I will mail it after this. I mean,
Okay.
today I have this laptop with me, so I will mail it to you.
Okay, okay. Because I can check that in my mobile.
Yes, yes, I'll do. I'll share with you.
Mm.
Right. I
Okay.
purposely did not because I want you to discuss first, right? Otherwise, you would have read it and then discussion won't matters a lot, you
No,
know.
no, right now. If you can share it right now, I can open that in my
Uh,
mobile simultaneously.
okay, let me check if I can. In chat box, okay, I have your email ID also, don't worry.
Mhm.
The network is too slow, not yet able to open the Gmail even.
Oh, okay, then no issues. I'll check it later on then.
Give me a moment. I think you can check one.
Okay. Hmm. Yes.
The color dimension.
Huh. Now I got it. I have opened that
Okay.
one page. Yeah.
Okay. I'm unable to maximize it.
No issues.
No problem.
We can discuss now because I'm having that from another. I can check it.
So what is next?
Like deadlines and schedule.
Okay. Now what about deadlines? I mean, if the person is having much on the deadlines, right?
Hmm.
And targets, as I said. So he or she keeps on sitting in the office for a longer time,
Hmm. Yes.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Instead of going home and instead of doing all these things.
Hmm. Yeah.
So next is a type of work you do.
Type of work you do.
If your work
Lot harder.
involves managerial work, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
You need extra hours to sit with the seniors or your management or with the customers, right?
Hmm.
You have to spend more time for your office.
Office. Yes. Hmm. Yeah.
Again, number of hours you need to work,
Need
that
to work.
depends upon, I mean, now you have to see to it like how much time you sit in the office, right? That you can calculate your total working hours as well as the
Hmm.
extra hours or the
Ex
overtime hours, right?
overtime. Yeah. Yeah.
And now the people are, I mean, the employees are going to tick it lot of harder, a little harder, make no difference to them, or does not apply on their job. So your options are given on the top,
Hmm. But
right?
type
Now,
of work you do, in that
hmm,
question, every employee wants to put like he is doing a tougher job. He may want to, present that thing only.
but
Definitely,
but
no
you
one will say
but
that
you
I am
know
doing
their
an
job,
easy job. Ha, we
you
know.
know their you know their work, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
now expectation or attitude of supervisor or manager. If your manager or supervisor is rigid, not allowing you
hmm,
leaves, not allowing you
yeah,
leave, or
yes,
make you to sit or give
for
you
a long,
extra, so that
hmm,
also matters. That
yes,
you are more focused to your company, right?
company,
Then expectations of or attitude of your mates, like your colleagues with whom you
hmm,
work.
hmm,
इफ आई वांट कि स्वर्णिम आज मेरे को घर पे जरूरी काम है, आज मेरा काम आप कर देना,
hmm,
सो यू हैव टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम टू दैट,
yes, yes,
राइट? अगर
okay,
मैंने ये हैबिट बनाई हुई है, मैं रोज छुट्टी लेती हूँ, शॉर्ट लीव लेती हूँ, अपना काम इधर उधर किसी से कराती रहती हूँ, तो दैट बिकम्स बैड.
hmm, hmm, hmm,
So that is my attitude towards my, अगर my mate say no, so I don't have
hmm,
option, I
yeah,
have to sit and I have to work on that,
work,
right?
hmm, yes,
Then how easy or difficult to take leave? As I said, if your boss is lenient, easily grant you leave,
yes, hmm,
so
hmm, hmm,
you
hmm,
become habitual. अरे यार छुट्टी तो
hmm,
मिल जाती है ना,
well
चलो.
done,
If
yes,
you have to request 10 times and you get a leave, then you
hmm,
think twice to take a leave,
yes,
and only on urgent cases you take leave,
hmm,
right? So it
yes,
means that now you are not spending much time to your family.
the family,
If
yeah.
your if your leave is granted easily, you are spending time
You're
to your
spending more time to your family.
own time. So
Hmm.
amount of notice you get to know about the overtime. I mean the number of hours of overtime, or all of a sudden you have to like stay back for a late meeting in
Okay,
a
okay,
month. How many times? If it is his
okay.
habit, every
Hmm.
day he says at 5:30, oh stay back, I have a work, I have a meeting agenda. to discuss.
Hmm.
But you don't have any thing like you have to sit back means you have to sit back. You can't say no.
Yeah.
I mean, once in a while you can say no, but not always.
Hmm.
Right? Then you have to
So,
spend extra hours.
yeah. So it is also keeping an eye on the immediate boss and supervisor as well, like
Yes, obviously.
how he
They
is
are
making the employees, they are
working.
working and life making
Uh,
balances. Yeah.
yes, yes. Or treating them.
Mm.
In a way,
Treating
you
them,
can say
yes.
treating them.
Treating them, yes.
Or if you have habit of taking the work home, people
Mm-hmm.
have this habit. सारा दिन तो इधर उधर घूमते रहेंगे, time gossips करेंगे. Evening में कहेंगे, okay, this file I can take to my home. I have a PC. I will make entries. I mean, they
Mm.
have this habit.
They can, yes, yes.
So that also, I mean, you are killing your personal time,
Mm.
right? So this is not good.
Amount of travel required.
Amount of travel time required, as I said, if you are into like touring and all, or
Mm.
your office to home, home to office,
Mm.
if you take 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, so
Evening,
4 hours plus 8 hours, your 12 hours are gone.
yeah.
Then it will be difficult for employee means he is giving
He
more
is
time
not
to
devoting more
for
time to the family. Yeah.
not able to give time to the family.
Mm. Yes.
I mean, starting and finishing time, that is basically for your, morning time and evening timing.
Mm.
Does your company have a flexi timing
Flexible
policy?
timing. Yeah.
So you have to check it up.
Mm.
Now, how we can impact work on life
Life
balance?
balance.
I mean, now you're asking from the
Okay.
employee, does it impact
Mm.
your life,
Mm.
right? They have to
Yeah.
give their opinions, right?
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Then you have to
Spending
find
time.
out with them how much time you're spending with your friends. If I say once in a year, that means I'm not giving quality of my personal life.
Yeah.
How many times you meet your near and dear relatives,
Relatives. Yes.
right? How
Mm.
social you are for the society. I mean, meeting your neighborhood,
Mm.
attending neighborhood meeting or the
Mm.
colony meeting. I mean, you're
Mm.
not, right?
Mm.
Or do you take your further study? I mean, apart from your evening classes, I mean, after your office, you join
Mm.
some evening classes.
Coaches. Got it.
I mean, now you are doing it for your office life, not for your personal life.
Yeah.
If you join music, that's your
Mm.
personal life.
That your
If
personal
you
life.
join
Yes.
a computer course, then it is an official
For
life.
official. Yeah. Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Take care of your personal business. If you have a family business, are you giving
Mm.
time to that also
That
or not?
also. Mm.
How much time you go to gym? I mean,
Mm.
do you play any game, evening game,
Mm.
any
Mm.
leisure time with family, movie time, right?
Yeah.
Again, you have to see. I mean, if they are more busy in that, so they are not doing that. So let me
Mm.
finish fast. We have
Yeah.
10
9
minutes to finish.
minutes.
We'll do this, and because tomorrow we'll start with the policy making, right?
Okay. Sure. Sure. Sure.
Right. Now,
Yeah.
take care of a personal business.
Mm.
Take part in community activities. I said neighborhood activities or like
Mm.
religious commitment.
Religious communities. Yeah.
Take care of family and spend time with them, like taking
Mm.
children out, taking
Mm.
your old parents to meet their relatives,
Yeah.
taking children for picnics, all this,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Or if your
Mm.
parents are old, how much time do you stay with them? Suppose
Yeah.
nowadays, as per your work, you live near to their office and your hometown is somewhere different, somewhere about
Huh.
50 miles away. So how much
Mm.
time, how many times you go to meet your
You went
parents,
there. Yeah.
right?
Mm.
Do you generally feel you are able to balance your life? I mean, now you are asking for the opinion. If I say yes or no, right? Or you can note it down a line. Do you believe that superior style support can help you in managing your life?
Can you believe
Now we
that
have to
your
see.
superior's style supports your work-life balance?
Means if he is make you stay back for a late meeting,
Okay,
right?
okay,
It
okay,
is his
okay.
habit. For nothing, he'll make you to stop.
Yeah.
Or he will stress you with extra kind of a work or extra kind of a targets which
Hmm.
are not actually not feasible, right?
Hmm. So it's not only superior, maybe the management, like that depends. If
Can be. I mean, the total.
yeah. Ah,
It is
yeah.
management, you can say, or it is your
Hmm.
superior, anyone,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Can you openly discuss issues related to your life?
So your
That's
work
the
life
major
with your
point.
superiors
I mean, if
related
you
to your
say
work life.
work life, I mean, now
Ah.
that if I say that I'm getting much time to travel, so can you adjust my working hours? Right, I
Hmm.
have to start
Hmm.
6 in the morning.
Okay,
Right,
okay,
can you provide me company cab, or can you
okay.
provide me some room nearby my company?
Hmm. Okay.
Right, I mean, you are asking for the support where you can save this time.
Hmm.
Even being an HR, now you have to work on this strategy.
Yeah. On that basis only we can define the strategies, we can make the plan for each and
Right.
every activity, maybe for
Yeah,
engagement activities to check their life and work balance, to make the strategies of
definitely.
the company, what next we can adopt as a new technology,
Strategy,
lot many things. Yes.
money.
Yeah,
Strategy we will be starting from tomorrow. We'll start with that. Is
sure,
again an interesting point. You keep your pen ready for that, right?
sure,
So we
sure, sure.
have a few questions. You can go through that, right?
Sure.
And there are other notes also in the document. If you
Huh.
see the document,
Hmm.
if I take it up,
Hmm.
right? Because this is
Hmm.
finished now, you just have to check all the documents.
Okay, these are all I think questionnaires and survey forms only, right?
Yeah.
Um, HR
So
and
you can
case
see my
studies. Yeah.
notes.
Yeah.
You can see my notes. I have made it for reading. You can
Sure,
go
sure.
through that.
Yeah.
And whatever you don't understand, you have problem you want to discuss, make a note in your copy, right?
Sure.
This is
Mm.
start from the starting organization structure, right? Simple note on
Mm.
that,
Mm.
how it start in the
Yes.
organization, right? The points,
Yeah.
type of management,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
See now competencies. It's your personality now being an HR.
Mm.
Go through that part very clearly. If there is any problem, we will discuss, right? This
Sure.
is
Completely.
expected by you. I mean, what competencies as an HR you should have to get a good job or to be a good HR,
Mm.
right?
Competencies. Sure. Sure. Sure.
Then
But
managing negative behavior at workplace, which we have already discussed through counseling, through different strategy. How do you take up the
mm,
behavior of employee who have negative behavior, right?
yeah.
Go through that document. Then
Sure.
we can have
That's
the
important.
study case study also,
Yeah. Sure.
right?
Uh, I need to discuss more on that. ये जो chart है, organizational chart, how the hierarchy, how we decide the hierarchy in the organization and
See,
HR department.
it varies companies to companies. You need not to worry because nowadays companies,
Hmm.
only the started companies need it. But the
Hmm.
major companies who's already functional, they don't require. They just require certain changes when they have the new people entry or they implement the manpower planning. Right. Once they
Okay.
implement the manpower planning, so
Hmm.
once we will do the manpower planning, you will come to know how to do that. This is the simplest one. Don't worry.
Okay.
But
No,
this is
because
for your
that day
understanding.
also, I was having doubt, like, मतलब एक HR department में in one company there would be 4 persons working, and in other company HR department when there would be 14 persons working. So
It
how
depends.
the both company?
It depends upon the total strength of employees in both the companies. If one
Yeah.
company has two HR and
Hmm,
100 people, if the
hmm,
company who has say about 10 HR, they have 4,000 of employees.
hmm. But in
So
one
it depends.
company, A company is taking 10 years of experience for HR head. B company is taking 20 years of experience for HR head. So how
It's
the
it's
both
it's
companies
it's,
are
to-
deciding?
it's up to their choice. I mean, it depends upon, as I said, already the work culture company is maintaining. If they want any mature and experienced person, they are finding
Hmm,
lot of conflicts, lot of work over there,
hmm,
managing people. So they
hmm.
need a mature person with experience. And if
So
they are
these things should
focusing,
be there.
hmm,
So these things should be there in their standing order as well.
no,
Okay, it
no,
it
not in
can be
standing.
okay,
It
okay,
is your choice
okay.
when you start up a company, right? Initially nobody is going to have a big HR, right? HR department. They
Yeah,
start
yeah,
up
it's
with
not
say
only
about
about the HR only for any department because what I see in any, while my recruiting also, there are few companies who are expecting a developer should have 3 to 4 years of experience, while other companies are expecting a, developer
it's their
experience of
choice.
7 to 8 years.
It's the
Okay.
nature of their work, it's the nature of their business, their nature of
Mm,
clients, what type of
mhm,
client. Some people have a small client, not with the
mm,
large expectation. So they said okay, 3 साल वाले से भी काम चल जाएगा. If the client is a major client and
okay.
a brand name in the market, they want
Mm,
quality of work. They say कि
mm,
मुझे 7 से 8 साल वाला चाहिए, whether I would like to pay
yeah.
higher, no problem.
Mhm. So
Right, so
that
all
we can
factors.
decide to which the sector the इम्पैक्ट
It
कहाँ
depends
होगा
on the
उसको देख के. हाँ, कि वो
obviously
डायरेक्टली
many
किस चीज को
factors.
इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है बंदा जो भी हायर करेंगे उस
It
प्रोस्पेक्टिव
depends
से वी कैन
upon
डिसाइड.
many factors works
हाँ,
on that.
इट
As I
कैन.
said about market business, client nature, type of business you have, how much profitability you are looking for, how much quality you want to give, isn't it? According to that, you choose the employees, the
Okay, so
strength
there
of
are no
employees.
any certain sort of rules and
No,
regulations for any company. It is their own
no,
choice.
only
Okay.
the basic wages it stands for. Ki, okay, minimum wages you need to follow for the employees. That's it.
Okay. Okay, maybe
But
that comes
I
under
mean,
wages. जब भी मैं I'll check that
minimum
wages
wages
वाला
it
part.
comes.
हाँ. Sure,
Otherwise,
sure.
recruitment is up to you. I mean, what kind of employee
Hmm.
with who have unlimited time and hello, hello.